Let's take a look at how to add languages served in your Google Business profile. I'm Travis Wilkie. I'm the founder of a digital marketing agency, and we've helped hundreds of businesses make millions of dollars online using SEO over the years. And one thing that we've found makes a huge difference on a Google Business profile is making sure that all the little details are filled out and everything is as relevant as possible to your audience. So let's say, as an example, you're working with clients in New York City. There's going to be a variety of languages that people speak in bigger cities typically, right? So making sure that your listing is showing the language that they're, that is native to them when they're doing their search, and especially if you have, like Spanish speaking team members, for instance, like absolutely you want to make sure that you're showing that you offer, services for people that want to speak a second language and don't necessarily have to come in and speak English, for instance, right? So to do that, first thing is we're going to need to pull up a Google Business profile. So just do a search for your business name here. You should see where it says your business on Google. If not, you might have to come up to the top right corner and change your email. Once you have the correct email logged in and you have access to your listing, you should see a little pen tool where it says edit profile right here. If we click on that, then there's going to be all sorts of various items that we can adjust here. And if we keep scrolling all the way down, then we will see at the very bottom there's service options. If we click the little pen tool next to that, we'll need to scroll down, and then it is going to show us the language assistance. So if you have people on staff that know American Sign Language, go ahead and check that box. If you have people on staff that speak English, go ahead and check that box, and so on and so forth, right? You just keep going down the list here until you've checked off everything that is relevant, and then you can go ahead and click Save. From there, it is going to take a period of time for Google to actually review everything, make sure everything checks out, make sure everything looks good. And then after about 10 minutes, you should start to see this actually appear on your Google Business profile. And then people can see when they're coming up, like, oh, hey, there's somebody at this business that's going to be able to speak American Sign Language, so I can communicate. Actually, I don't know if you would say speak American Sign Language. I think they call it signing. But maybe they speak Spanish, and let's say I'm somebody who only speaks Spanish, and I see that this business has somebody on staff that speaks Spanish, and I'm like, oh, perfect. This is where I'm going to get services. So really subtle little changes like this, as you accumulate and you get all of these things in place, they start to add up and help with your visibility on your Google Business profile. So obviously this is not going to shoot you right to the top of the rankings, but if you stack this up with enough other optimizations on your listing, you should start to see some major noticeable changes and improvements in your visibility. So anyways, I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with SEO anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below. And we do provide SEO for different businesses in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.